Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's time to introduce our hard-selling valve assembly for you. If you're interested, let's see it together. Firstly, it's the outside packages, the blue VC anti-roast bags, right? And here this is the first line is our Shumatt brand, and then the product code is F00RJ02386. Actually, local label packages, all the details which might supply the customized service. So if you have these needs, feel free to contact us. This is the inside packages. The plastic bottles can be better avoid damages during the transmission. Now we will check the inside. One layer oil paper to wrap it up, and each product which might supply 6 months running time. You got the quality guaranteed. And for this one, the fly cable inject number is 04451200072, etc. And this one plug cable for in vehicle car is Mitsubishi, and let's see the valve cap. With the coating figures on it. The valve rod. Actually, if you want to install it, the first step is make sure the valve cap in the right position, and the second step is make sure the valve rod can move smoothly up the injector body. That's the tips. Okay, so much for today's part introduction. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time. Bye bye.